In this video, I'm going to show you 12 iPhone tricks that you probably didn't know of, and these tricks will really help you when using your iPhone. Some of them are hidden and not many people use them, so stick around to the end and learn about these tricks, starting right now. The first one is brightness on your phone. If you feel like your phone doesn't have enough brightness, especially during the day when there's the sun, and you've probably put it at max brightness, there's one thing that you need to do to increase the brightness. All you have to do is go to settings, then go to accessibility, then click on display and text size. Scroll down to where it's written reduce white point. So this setting might probably be on, so you want to turn this off. When you turn it off, it will automatically increase the brightness, or you can just adjust it if it's on to a lower number, maybe between 0 and 10%, and you'll notice a very large difference between your brightness and it will be way more visible. The second one is a feature that was introduced with the iOS 15 and it's on Safari. This will help you protect your data from trackers and hackers by hiding your IP address and location. All you have to do is go to settings, then go to Safari, then scroll down to privacy and security and click on hide IP address and make sure it's on trackers and websites. This will prevent your IP address from being tracked by websites or hackers, and this will protect your data. So this is a really cool feature. Onto the third one, which is a feature that has been there for a while and probably not many people use it, and it's called measure. If you probably uninstall it, just go to Play Store and write measure and install it back. And it's a feature that you can use to measure lengths of anything, be it your room or anything, and it's pretty accurate and it pretty much saves on much time. And by the way, if you find this video helpful or interesting, be sure to leave a like and leave a comment of any other trick on iPhone that you know, and also a sub to the channel will also come in handy. The fourth one also came with the iOS 15 and it's called focus mode. This focus mode helps you choose what notifications you want to have in whatever mode. If you choose at home you want or at work, you can choose who you only want to see notifications from. And this is quite a good feature because it has so many options that you can customize. And once again, thanks to iOS 15. The fifth one is a little bit odd and probably won't make much of a difference, but I just figured it out myself. If you want to shut down your phone, you really don't have to hold down the power button. You can just tap it 5 times. And don't ask me how I discovered that, but I was just bored, then I just discovered it that if you tap 5 times, it will bring the power button and you can just slide power off. And I probably should try it too. I don't know. The sixth one is on photos. If you're having trouble finding a photo that you want to show your friend or just finding it, and you know if the photo has a text in it, you can pretty much just type in the text, and I talked about that in another video. You can pretty much type the text of the search bar, and your phone will show you photos with that text in it, and it will be so much easier to choose from. Also, you can find the picture by identifying what's in the picture. For example, if the picture has a bed in it, you can pretty much type bed and the phone will show you pictures with beds in them. I find this is a really cool feature that I use a lot, and tell me if you guys will be using it too. The seventh one is also a feature that has been around, but many people don't probably use it, and you can scan your documents using your iPhone without really downloading document scanner apps. All you have to do is go to notes and click the little icon at the bottom right, and when you're typing you'll see a little camera icon. All you have to do is tap it and it will give you 3 options, and you want to click on scan documents and you can place your document there, and you can pretty much scan your document. And this saves time. Long ago we used to go to cybers, and now you can just scan it with your phone. Pretty good feature. The 8th one is that iPhone has a dictionary. This is a good feature. If you just swipe down to the search bar and type in any word that you want, it will give you synonyms and the name of the word. And if your phone is locked, by the way, and you swipe down to the search bar, it will only give you the dictionary. If you type in any word, it will give you the meaning of the word. But you won't have access to other features that are there when you have the search bar when your phone is locked. And the 9th one is that you can customize your apps without really going through shortcuts. And I did a video about that. You can click the first link in the description, and I explained how you can customize your apps from this to this. And the method that I use there is really fast and doesn't really have to go through the shortcut method whereby you customize each app on their own, and maybe you have many apps. So be sure to check that out when you're done with this video. And the 10th one is a feature that you can use against your nosy friends. So if you go to the control center, you'll see this little icon with a padlock in it. So let me explain. The feature is called guided access. This pretty much helps you to restrict your phone from accessing other areas that you really don't have. Example, if you want to show your friend something, you can restrict some parts of the screen so that if the person wants to go and see other things, they really can't, because they can only see the photo and that area of the screen is blocked and you really can't do anything about it. So yeah, pretty much this can help you with some privacy. And tell me what you think about it, or if you knew about it. And all you have to do to activate this feature is go to settings, then go to accessibility, scroll all the way down and go to guided access, and make sure you've turned on the accessibility shortcut. So all you have to do is go to the control center, then tap the little icon with the padlock in it, and there you can pretty much choose the area that you want to restrict from your friends, and or pretty much anyone, not really your friends. It will work perfectly, and put in your passcode and it will be fine. So if you are a fan of sleeping when there are rainy nights, this might be a good feature for you. You really don't have to go to YouTube and search for rainy sounds then sleep, because that is what pretty much most people do. But you can just have this on your iPhone without really going to YouTube. All you have to do is go to settings, then go to accessibility, then go to audio or visual, and make sure that background sounds are turned on. And you can pretty much choose from any that you want, from stream sounds, rainy sounds, or white sounds, any that you want that you might feel might be good for you, or maybe for meditation or relaxing. Yeah, these are really cool features that I really love, and tell me what you guys think about it also. And the last one for this video might be really helpful for when there are emergencies, or maybe you're just at home and you need to be alert of some things, but maybe you're not near. So iPhone has an AI ability to detect some sounds. For example, you can get notifications when there's a fire in the house, when there's a baby crying, or even someone coughing. So all you have to do is go to settings, then accessibility, then go to sound recognition. Then you can select which sounds that you want alerts from your phone when they are heard. So that's been pretty much it for this video. I really hope that you found something new, and if you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. My name is Yan Duncan. I do app tutorials and tech stuff, and I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm out. Peace.